Hello everyone, today we will have a look at this CD slash cassette player, cassette recorder as well. It records, and of course AM FM radio. I don't know if we can call it a boombox. It's I think it's a recent model, maybe made in the 2000s something. It's from Philips, model number AZ1081. I got this for free, and I think it does work, but it has some issues, so we will try to fix these issues and see what's inside. Before I turn it on, let's have a closer look. This is the model number. As you can see, it's a digital audio, so I don't think it plays MP3s. That's the CD mechanism. We have here CD, MW, let's lower the volume, MW, FM, and tape, which is the off position. This is the dial, which is horrible, hard to see. I don't know why they put these dots here, these dots, to make it very hard to see. This is the volume, the tuning knob. Here we have a switch for the dynamic bass boost. These are for the CD control and the cassette. Two speakers. I have a dent here, I will fix it later. And LCD for the CD. At the back we have a hollow handle. You know it's cheap when the handle it's like that, hollow from the back, so it's just front. Battery compartment takes 6 C cells. So it's Philips. Here it says designed. Oops. It's yeah, it's switched off. Designed and developed by Philips Holland, made in China. That's the model number again. Big Philips logo at the bottom. So Philips, I don't think Philips is making any electronics nowadays. It's just a name that's used by other companies. So it's not really Philips, only by name. Probably it's just a generic CD player.
So there was some, I got drawn into their
FM
play lives a lot, particularly him, the middle one.
So this is the FM.
In my experience, girls kind of roll with the punches of life.
I feel the sound is coming only from the speaker. This, I think it's dead or something.
In their...
Or perhaps going down the road of doing a little that could have saved you.
No, that was MW, which is the AM.
Legislation in...
This is FM.
Gün 24 saat Kanal 32'de ücretsiz izleyin veya SBS On Demand'dan izleyin.
Changing minds. Anti-Semitism has become a...
next week.
Ocean ve Torres
Like the sound of that, the smell of hot chips from the footy canteen and beeping horns of the roaring crowds. What about commentating a game?
Yeah, you can see the difference between, you can hear with the DBB on or off, dynamic bass boost. And this is the medium wave.
Play by Jebel Jabberry back on the field, diagonal and back.
The Sun. It's a tour de force of the Australian music.
Where can you learn that skill, by the way? Towing or
Yeah,
going fast
towing.
in a supercar? There are courses for both. You can actually...
A sort of brief history of the game, and it's a working.
So the radio works fine. Let's test the CD. I have a few CDs here, I'm not sure they are. This is, I think, audio CD. Yeah, 316 track. Turn it this way so you can see. So play.
Cabaret. Get him on.
CD works fine, that's good. And for the tape, we have a problem with the tape. The play button does not stay on. Yeah, now it works. And yeah, the door wasn't open first, now it's opened. So it looks like we fixed it. So let's grab random cassette. It uses the, I'm not sure if this is the cheap mechanism or something different. I think it's the cheap one.
Pushchair, Helen! Shouted Steve. Tom, look at Spot! Said Steve. But Tom wasn't there. Helen wheeled Spot.
So it works. This is audiobook. I think it's kids audiobook.
He was the first one in.
Yeah, so the tape works as well. Try to tape.
Ơi cùng chung vui một lối đời tôi không lừa dối.
I think it's a little bit wobbly.
Xong rồi thời lòng giá.
And yeah, the sound's coming only from this speaker. This one does not work. So let's take it apart and see what's the problem. Okay, I guess that's the end of the video. I can't open it because first this screw is too far and I thought it's a small head, but no, it's a star. It's like this one, star head, and I don't have a star that's long enough. This one gets stuck at the middle because this is too thick. All the screws are star, so I can open these around, but I cannot open these two. It's an ironic Philips device, but doesn't use Philips screws. I know the two companies are not related, but still, I wish it was a Philips. So probably I will come back to it later. Maybe I will buy a screwdriver that's long enough. I bought these longer screw bits, so now I can open it and see what's the problem with the speaker. which was very tricky to open. Okay. So that's the inside. That's all the speakers. That's the radio module. The power transformer and the CD and the amp is here. Okay, so both speakers work right now, so I don't know what was the problem. Earlier, there was, I think, wasn't speaker was working.
We'll be playing all the players that matter from the best
But right now,
box in town, because you know we do what we do so well. We'll go swinging and playing, sidestepping to the
both work.
rocking and rolling, hip shaking, dipping and flipping, putting the zip in your hip.
I guess you should put it back.
It's that time on Wednesday morning in Melbourne Town, and that means it's time for the Malt Shop Hop, where I
And that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.